For culinary superheroes in training, a baby food maker is the ultimate sidekick. A must-have for parents who crave the power to whip up healthy, homemade baby meals with the flick of a switch, turning kitchen chaos into culinary triumphs. Today, we are looking at the top 5 baby food makers, and we've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best baby food makers. The food product on this list is the BEABA Babycook Puree Maker. Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey tailored for your tiny tot? Look no further than the BEABA Babycook Puree Maker, your one-stop solution for crafting nutritious and delicious homemade baby food. Say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to simplicity with this baby food puree maker's one-step functionality. Featuring a built-in menu tailored for vegetables, fruits, fish, or meat, this innovative baby food steamer and blender combo streamlines the process for you. Just choose your desired function and let the magic happen. No more tedious or redundant steps, making it a perfect fit for new moms and dads navigating the challenges of parenthood. But that's not all. Experience culinary convenience like never before with this baby food maker. A harmonious blend of steamer and blender in one sleek device, eliminating the need for a plastic basket. The unique steaming cycle locks in nutrients, flavors, and vitamins, ensuring your little one gets the best out of their homemade meals. No more juggling separate equipment. It's time to simplify your kitchen and amplify the nutrition for your baby. So get ready to elevate mealtime for your little one with the BEABA Babycook Puree Maker, where innovation meets nutrition in the most delightful way. Its pros are: it boasts 4 high-quality precision blades running at a speedy 2875 rotations per minute. Its self-clean function is a game-changer for busy parents. Just add water and let the machine do the rest. And it passed FDA UL certification. And its blender cup is crafted from Triton material. BPA, lead, pH phthalates, odor, latex, petroleum-free for your peace of mind. However, its fairly small mixing bowl may pose a challenge for parents looking to prepare substantial quantities of baby food in one go. The BEABA Babycook Puree Maker is like a kitchen sidekick for busy moms and dads who want easy baby food prep. It's a must-have for parents looking to make tasty homemade meals without the kitchen chaos. Up next, in 4th place, is the Nutribullet Baby Steam Plus Blend. Looking for a way to whip up wholesome meals for your little one? Well, this unit is a kitchen wizard that combines the powers of a cooking pot, steaming basket, and blender all in a single sleek system. This baby food maker's main goal is to revolutionize your baby food game. No more juggling multiple gadgets, no extra dishes, just one compact machine that does it all. Now, of course, we all know that one size doesn't fit all, especially when it comes to baby food. With 3 incredible blending functions, manual blend, pulse, and auto blend, this baby maker is the maestro of texture. Whether your little one prefers silky smooth purees or loves a bit of chunkiness, this product gives you the power to customize their meals. It's like having a personal chef for your baby's taste buds. What's more, this baby food maker introduces the genius of a fully automated steam plus blend cycle. You can simply turn the dial and voila! While this kitchen marvel works its magic, you can attend to other pressing matters. Multitasking has never been this delicious with the Nutribullet Baby Steam Plus Blend. Its pros are: it offers clear, well-worded instructions for the different settings on the machine. Its bowl is also made from clear plastic, so you can see the consistency of the puree and stop the machine when it has reached your desired level of chunkiness. And it moves through all the phases of baby food making automatically, so you don't have to step in to change the dial or check the process. However, its transition between steam and blend might be too loud for some users. The Nutribullet Baby Steam Plus Blend is a game changer for busy parents who crave efficiency in preparing fresh and customized meals for their little ones, combining the functions of a cooking pot, steaming basket, and blender in one. Still haven't found a baby food maker that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is EVLA'S Baby Food Maker. Get ready to embark on a delightful journey of creating healthy homemade meals for your growing bundle of joy with EVLA'S Baby Food Maker, the ultimate kitchen companion designed to simplify meal prep for busy parents. This product is a culinary maestro with its innovative steaming function, You can now cook ingredients to perfection before blending, preserving their natural flavor and nutritional goodness. You can puree and blend a delightful mix of fruits, vegetables, and meats, transforming them into a smooth, consistent texture that your little one will love. That's not all. Safety takes center stage with this baby food processor. It's specifically crafted from high-quality food-grade materials that prioritize your baby's health. BPA-free and constructed to be safe and durable, this baby food maker ensures that every bite your baby takes is free from harmful chemicals and toxins, offering you peace of mind with every meal. Overall, EVLA'S baby food maker emerges as your culinary ally, bringing convenience and love to every mealtime. It's not just a baby food processor, it's a promise of delightful creations for your little one. Unbox the ease, savor the simplicity, and embark on a journey where culinary magic meets parental joy with EVLA'S baby food maker. Its pros are: it creates healthy homemade food for your little one in just 3 easy steps. It features an intuitive touchscreen for adjusting the blending speed, temperature, and steaming time to match your specific needs and preferences. And it is designed to be self-cleaning. However, it doesn't come with pre-programmed settings for specific baby food recipes. EVLA'S baby food maker is best for parents who value simplicity, efficiency, and control in preparing fresh and customized baby food batches for their little ones, prioritizing ease of use and minimalistic design. The second product on this list is the BEABA Babycook Neo. If you're always looking for exciting ways to whip up delicious, nutritious meals for your little one, then you should definitely consider getting the BEABA Babycook Neo, the newest model from the original creators of the baby food maker, offering a culinary experience like no other. This model takes innovation to the next level, boasting a glass bowl, stainless steel steam basket, and a large stainless steel reservoir. This all-in-one powerhouse operates without the need for pots, pans, and blenders, or the stove microwave, making your kitchen cleanup a breeze. It's not just a baby food maker. It's a game changer in simplifying your culinary journey for your little one. And here's more. Get ready to embrace the versatility of this baby food maker with its 4-in-1 functionality: steam cook, blend, defrost, and reheat, all in a single machine operation. The elevated steam basket ensures true steam cooking, minimizing nutrient loss and delivering a culinary masterpiece for your baby's taste buds. Competitors fall short by not raising food above the water, resulting in nutrient loss as food sits in stagnant water. But with the BEABA Babycook Neo, you're not just making baby food, you're creating a nutrient-packed feast for your little one. Its pros are: it features a 42.27 fluid ounce bowl, capable of making up to 5.2 cups or 20 servings of fresh baby food in just one cooking cycle. It has an auto shut-off timer, so you don't have to constantly check the progress of your baby's food. And it boasts a unique blend feature, offering control over consistency from fine to chunky puree. However, it requires manual cleaning after each use, which might be a little inconvenient for some users. The BEABA Babycook Neo is perfect for parents who crave a seamless all-in-one solution for crafting healthy and flavorful meals for their little ones, valuing the convenience of a versatile baby food maker with a larger capacity for efficient meal preps. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best baby food maker is the Babymoov Duo Meal Station Food Maker. Are you ready to transform mealtime into a symphony of flavors and nutrition for your baby? Enter the world of convenience and innovation with the Babymoov Duo Meal Station Food Maker, a culinary powerhouse that effortlessly combines steaming, blending, and more into one versatile unit. With this amazing product, you can finally say goodbye to bland baby food and say hello to a world of culinary delights for your little one. With 2 steamer baskets and a 3-speed blender, this baby food maker ensures that the natural flavors, nutrients, and vitamins of your ingredients are preserved, creating a palette of tastes your baby will love. It's not just a food maker, it's a culinary magician, crafting healthy, delicious meals with every blend. That's not all. Get ready to unlock the power of efficiency with its Duo Meal Station's large steaming bowl and blender capacity. Prepare up to a week's worth of fresh and nutritious food in just minutes, making meal prep a breeze for busy parents. So, get ready to add Babymoov Duo Meal Station to your kitchen countertop and witness the transformation of mealtime into a culinary adventure for you and your little one. Say yes to convenience, innovation, and the joy of creating nourishing meals with ease. Its pros are: it has an LCD display that makes navigating the culinary wonders a breeze. It features audio alerts that guide you through the process and notify you when your culinary masterpiece is ready. Its 6-in-1 design eliminates the need for separate appliances and saves valuable kitchen space, and its components are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy and simple. However, it might be too loud for some users. The Babymoov Duo Meal Station Food Maker is ideal for parents to prioritize versatility in their baby food preparation, as it combines multiple functions such as steaming, blending, reheating, and defrosting in one compact unit. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.